In July 2017, I was at a crossroads in my life. I weighed more than I ever had. I was not active at all. I was really, really down. I joined the Outdoor Partnership climbing course. The instructor was so helpful. She never made me feel like I wasn't good enough. She never made me feel like I needed to change anything. It just gave me the tools to actually start incorporating it into my life. So now I climb every week. I run about 5 times a week. I feel I can give anything a go.
The Outdoor Partnership programmes inspire local people to engage in outdoor activities to improve their health, well-being, improve confidence. Just in the last year, we had over 16,000 people come through our projects, ranging from a volunteering programme through to people with mental health problems.
So I was a size 20 to 22 when I first started losing weight, and since I've lost 6 stone. So now I'm a size 10, which I can't get my head around. I was doing my first ever outdoor climb. I had climbed 300 foot up and I sat there by myself and I was looking at the sunset, and I just thought, I'm living this life now thanks to the Outdoor Partnership. It's something that I would never ever have done.
I just feel so proud to be part of a charity changing people's lives for the good.